up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. So Amazing Beauty Hair reached out to me, asked me if I would try out their Yaki straight hair extensions, and I said yes. So they sent me a few boxes. So this is what the box looks like. It says invest in your hair. It is the crown you never take off. So it says that on the back. I thought that was nice. This is how the Yaki hair comes. It is packaged nicely in some plastic. It comes with a clip and a comb, and it actually comes with a card as well. And it tells you pretty much how to wash the hair, daily care for the hair, and it has the return policy on here as well. This is 100% human hair. And yeah, let's go ahead and just open it up and see what it looks like. So because my hair is somewhat coarse, I got the Yaki straight because it looked a little bit more textured and straight. So it kind of looked like my hair blown out. So we're going to see if it matches. Color looks like it matches pretty well. So let's go ahead and open it up. And this is what the hair looks like. Has a little bend in it, so I'm probably going to have to iron that out. But this one has 4 clips, as you can see. So they're clip ends. You just opening them up and then clip them back. So it has 1 4 clip. It comes with 2 3 clips. It comes with 3 2 clips and 1 1 clip. Yeah, so I'm going to be applying these to my hair, and we're going to see how it looks. I got 16" because I want it to look as natural as possible. Oh, I forgot, it comes with some little extra clips as well if needed. You guys know that my hair is quite thick, so what I think I'm going to do is braid my hair down and get it out of the way. So I will be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I didn't do anything fancy. I actually started plaiting my hair, and then I thought that the braids were going to be a little bit too bulky because my hair is quite thick. So I decided just to put it in 2 braids, and then I just clipped them under here, and we're going to see if the clips from the hair will go into this straight hair or flat hair a little bit better than if I had braids all over. This is just my leave out, so hopefully it's enough. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I didn't want to curl this up too much because I wanted to kind of stay straight. Okay, so I already showed you the clip, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start in the back. And now, like I said, if your hair is straight, you can start with your hair straight and just blend your hair, leave a little bit out at the back, and then if you want to wear your hair pinned up or whatever, you know, your hair would be showing. I'm not going to wear my hair pinned up. I definitely couldn't with this. Well, I probably could if I put these in here upside down. Yeah, let me do that. See if I can hide these braids. So I'm going to put this 3 clip back here at the very nape of my neck upside down. So if I want to pull my hair up over it, I could. So I'm gonna do that. Uh-oh, lost a bobby pin already. See guys, my hair is thick. Bobby pins don't even want to stay in it. Okay, now I'm going to go in with another 3 clip. See if I can get it to stay. Then I'm gonna go in with another one on this other side. I know, y'all probably like, I can't see what you're doing. Okay, so let me turn around. I'm gonna let y'all see. So now I'm going in with a 4 clip on top of the 3 clip. Okay. So now I'm just going to add them all around, and I'll let you guys watch.
You can never sleep in traffic, 'cause living steady panic. I know 'cause I try acid. Now I see through your habits, just like gadgets. You tell me with the 2 hands, I'm too bad. Wonder what you think's I like. Need me to get your bills paid, that's what you said. I guess I'm just too fake for that. So sit down, listen, think for a minute. Know it might be hard 'cause you're uneducated. Break down, face it, breathe for a minute. I'm about to help you with your manners and respect. You get it? Just uneducated. But this so but you make it one day.
Looking pretty good. Okay, so I am going to just try to straighten my leaf out a little bit. See if I can get it to blend.
I never listen to the critics. They try to steal you from your feelings for cash. You tell me with the 2 hands, I'm too bad.
I just put some serum on it. Okay, let me let you see the back. So yeah, guys, this is it. Me adding the Yaki straight. It does blend very well with my hair. Of course, you can flat iron your hair as straight as you want it to get it to blend even more. But I like a little, you know, I like a little volume. I like a little frizz to make it look natural. And with the humidity, it's going to be hard for my hair not to frizz back up through it. But all in all, I like it. Gives me a little bit of length. So it gives me a length right here. When my hair is naturally straight itself, it's about right here. So it's a few inches longer, but it doesn't look abnormal for my hair, overly long or anything. If you want to pin it up, you can. If you want to just wear it back in a ponytail, you can do that. So there's a lot that you can do by adding extensions. As you saw, it didn't take long at all. So for the pros and cons of Amazing Beauty hair extensions, I feel like it definitely matched my hair color, so that's a pro. I got some shedding, but not a whole lot of shedding, so that's a pro. I feel like it was packaged well. They're light, they don't feel overly heavy in my hair, so that's good. Cons to me is that I feel like the clips are a little short. So in some areas I was having a hard time getting them to stay. I had to kind of keep trying to really lift my hair, place it in, and for it to clip closed. So I felt like I could get it in, but then it wouldn't clip closed, or I couldn't quite get it in. So I did have to work with that a little bit. Is that something that will keep me from repurchasing? No, not really, because I did get them to stay. They feel secure. Once I got them in there, they do feel secure. So that's great. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think about this hair. How do you think I did with the clip-ins? Do you think that you will try these clip-ins just to change up your look a little bit? For me, because my hair keeps drying up, I think that I would definitely wear these more in the winter when I can straighten my hair and it'll stay straight. The humidity won't really quite get to it as much. But other than that, I think they're nice. So I want to thank Amazing Beauty Hair for sponsoring this video. Guys, if you're interested in these clip-ins, I will have a link in my description box along with a discount code. So make sure that you go down in that description box to find out all the information about Amazing Beauty Hair. And let me know in the comment section if you're going to purchase or not. Tell me how you feel about this look. Tell me if you think the length was just right, not long enough, what, you know. But yeah, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.